So here I am on site with Alex Long in Rockland, Ontario. He's the owner of GETSPACE Limited and also the founder of Parc, Hudon Parc. Alex, how are you doing today?
Great, just working at the property, getting some more yards in and trying to complete the grading for phase one.
Yeah. So what prompted you to get into the business of the GETSPACE and contractor yards and workshops and all the other cool stuff that you want to do, the parking? What prompted you to do that?
I guess the push in that direction would be, the gratitude of you, Bruce. You kind of gave me the idea, and same with my brother Chris. And,
Yeah.
And it's a great idea. The concept is amazing, right? I mean, you don't have to have a lot of staff. It's a little bit of a cash flow injection to get going, but once it gets fired up, it runs itself, and it's a great passive business to be in, passive income business.
Yeah, that's cool. And tell me about the type of clients that you're expecting to park here: equipment, dozers, loaders, trucks, buses, whatever, boats. Did I say that already? And also, who would take up your contractor yards and your workshops?
Yeah, I'm assuming a bunch of entrepreneurs, kind of like myself, people with too much stuff need somewhere to place it. So
For sure.
Lots of people with equipment, even just the typical homeowner that might have a boat and too much personal belongings.
Yeah, boat and an RV and a bunch of stuff, ATVs,
Another sea can full of stuff.
Yeah.
Just, it's not that expensive. Some of the yards, like 50 by 50 is only like $350 a month.
Really, that's it?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know it was that inexpensive. So this one that we're standing in right now, just pan around, Alex.
Yeah.
How big is this one?
This would be a 50 by 90, so it's a decent sized yard.
Yeah.
This would be something around $630 a month. And as you can see, the backhoe is parked in there, and you could we had the dump truck in there and the excavator, and there's still plenty of room to move around. And
So this one was 50 by 90, so about 4,500 square feet.
Yep.
And how much was it again?
$630 a month.
And then if you get a smaller one, like a 50 by 50, how much was that?
It's like $350. So
That's not bad.
the price around like 14 cents
Per square foot, yeah.
So, and we kind of carry that forward for the smaller to the larger ones.
Yeah.
Once you get to a certain size, I imagine, kind of give them a little bit of a break. But.
Yeah. And these gates, are they hard to open and close?
No, that's why.
Come on, let's see it.
We didn't go with the swing gates. We went the Cadillacs, right?
You went with the Cadillac.
It's the one-hander. Look at
Oh,
that.
nice.
Nice and easy. You don't have to worry about it swinging open, smashing trucks and stuff. Oh, that's closed.
Oh, that's good. You going to lock me in, or am I going to be let out for good behavior?
I don't know what they did here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and then you can lock it. You can put a lock on that latch.
Right.
Except the boys already done that.
And so, Alex, just last question for you. What kind of services will be available here? Will there be any electricity for these folks?
We plan on running electricity for the yards, depending.
30 amps or something like that?
Yeah, probably 20-30 amp.
20 to 30 amps, yeah.
Standard. And then that's for the yards itself. And then we'll have workshops running facing the main road and down the property as well. We'll have mini storages.
So you'll have some, I forgot about that. You'll have some mini storage buildings, some workshops, and some office space, maybe a landscape depot if somebody needs it. What would be the biggest yard that somebody could get out here?
The biggest yard at the current moment would be that right there, which is close to 3/4 of an acre.
3/4 of an acre. Yeah, I remember that from the site plan.
Yeah, and then some of these yards in particular, like the 50 by 50 running down that way and along here.
Yeah.
What we could do is we could just, widen them up and make them 50 by 100.
Right.
So
you got lots of flexibility.
Flexibility, yeah, even bigger if
And how do people get in touch with you, Alex?
We have a website.
Tell us what the website is.
Okay, yeah, it's GetSpace.ca.
GetSpace.ca, yep.
That's the website.
Is there like a hyphen in there?
There's a hyphen in it.
Okay,
yeah,
you got to mention that. So
Get-Space.ca.
Okay,
yes.
I remember that now.
Yeah.
Okay,
-space.
There we go.
Yeah,
.ca.
just GetSpace.
And is there an email address they could send an email to you?
Yeah, info at GetSpace.ca works for our email.
Okay, so info at get-space.ca
Get-space.ca.
and get a hold of Alex anytime. Thanks again, Alex.
That's right, thanks.